Las Vegas food banks bracing for impact following federal cuts to food programs. Three Square Food Bank feeling the pressure as those cuts trickle down.
8 News Now reporter Kamari Esquera live from that location to explain what those federal cuts mean for the fight against hunger in southern Nevada.
Three Square Food Bank provides millions of meals each year to families in southern Nevada, but recent federal cuts could mean less meals for families in need.
Federal food for Three Square is really a lifeline. We receive, in some years, almost 15 million pounds of food from the federal government through the Federal Commodities Program. So any changes to that program definitely have an effect on what we're able to do here in the community.
Last month, the USDA announced $1 billion worth of cuts to programs that affect food banks. Three Square President and CEO Beth Martino says the food bank has already taken a major hit.
That was 1 million pounds of food that we expected to receive this spring. So what that really looks like for the people we serve is potentially less food that we're able to distribute in the communities.
Less food at Three Square means less food in the community. And with rising costs, Martino says families are finding it challenging to make ends meet.
Well, what we've seen since the pandemic is that food insecurity has worsened. It's actually increased dramatically since 2020.
The federal cuts would not only affect the food bank services, but also numerous smaller nonprofits they supply across the region.
But it also means that it affects local farmers and food producers who use that money to keep their operations going year-round.
Three Square Food Bank is relying more than ever on community support through monetary and food donations.
It's really important for us to have food out in the community to help people feed their families, keep food on the table all month long.
1 in 7 southern Nevadans struggle with hunger. Meanwhile, 1 in 5 children live in a food insecure household. Reporting at Three Square Food Bank, Kamari Esquera, 8 News Now.